What is compassion? It is one of the most powerful forces in the world. It is the bridge between kindness and understanding, the ability to feel deeply for others and act with warmth and generosity. When practiced, it can transform relationships, communities, and even the way we see ourselves. Compassion comes in different forms, each with its own unique way of connecting people and fostering kindness. Here are few key types. Empathetic compassion, feeling deeply for someone's suffering and emotionally resonating with their pain. This often leads to a desire to comfort and support them. Cognitive compassion, understanding another person's feelings without necessarily sharing them. This kind of compassion allows for rational and thoughtful support. Active compassion, where taking action to relieve suffering. It is not just feeling for someone but stepping in to help them in tangible ways. Self compassion, directing kindness toward yourself, acknowledging mistakes without harsh self judgment, and treating yourself with care and understanding. Altruistic compassion, a deep, selfless concern for others where one helps without expecting anything in return purely for the well being of another. Each type plays a vital role in relationship and communities, making the world a little kind. See how compassion affects mental health. Compassion is not just a virtue, it is a tool for emotional strength, and the best part is the more we practice it, the more it grows. It is like a superpower for mental health. It benefits both the giver and the receiver in profound ways. Here is how. Reduced stress. Act of compassion can lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and promoting emotional well-being. Boosts happiness, helping others release feel-good chemicals like oxytocin and dopamine, leading to greater happiness and fulfillment. Enhances resilience. When people practice self compassion, they recover from setbacks more quickly and develop stronger coping mechanisms. Fosters connection. Compassion strengthens relationships by building trust and empathy, reducing feelings of loneliness and isolation. Improves emotional regulation. By focusing on kindness and understanding, people become more mindful of their emotions and better equipped to manage difficult situations. What are some ways to practice compassion daily? When compassion becomes a habit, it transforms not just how we interact with others, but how we view the world. Practicing compassion daily does not have to be grand. It is often the small, intentional action that makes the biggest impact. Here are some ways to cultivate compassion in your everyday life. Listen with presence. When someone speaks, truly listen without interrupting or judging. Giving people space to express themselves fosters understanding. Offer kind words. A genuine compliment or words of encouragement can brighten someone's day and strengthen connections. Help without being asked. Simple gesture like holding a door open, carrying groceries, or assisting a colleague make life easier for others. Practice self compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Be patient, forgiving, and supportive of your own journey. Voluntary or give back. Whether it is donating time, money, or resources, giving to those in need cultivates a compassionate heart. Assume the best in others. Instead of jumping to conclusion, try to understand why someone might be struggling or acting a certain way. Express gratitude. Acknowledging and appreciating what others do for you fosters positivity and strengthens relationship. Be mindful of words and action. Some moment of care like asking how someone is feeling can create a ripple effect on rip- effect of kindness. Integrating practice of compassion in a work environment. Compassion in the workplace not only creates a more pleasant atmosphere, but it can also improve productivity, collaboration, and job satisfaction. Practicing compassion at work can foster a more supportive and positive environment benefiting both colleagues and overall workplace culture. Here are some ways to integrate compassion into your daily professional interactions. Listen actively. Give coworkers your full attention when they speak, acknowledging their perspectives and make them feel heard. Offer help without expecting anything in return. If a colleague is struggling with a task, offer assistance or guidance without hesitation. Show appreciation. Simple gestures like thanking someone for their contributions and recognizing their hard work can boost morale. Encourage collaboration. Foster teamwork by supporting colleagues' ideas and creating a space where people feel valued. Practice patience and understanding. Recognize that everyone has their own challenges and approach situations with empathy rather than frustration. Respect work life balance. Encourage colleagues to take break, respect their boundaries, and support a healthy balance between professional and personal life. Address conflicts with kindness. When disagreements arise, approach them with a mindset of resolution rather than confrontation. Be inclusive. Try to support diverse perspective and ensure everyone feels welcomed and respected.